this tutorial, you will learn where to find your save files and config files in Farming Simulator 25. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open Users. Open your username folder. Open Documents. Open My Games. Open Farming Simulator 2025. In Save Game 1 you will find your save files. You can also find your save files inside the Save Game Backup folder. To locate your config file, scroll down to Game and Game Settings, right-click them and select Edit with Notepad. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.